December 11th, International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day aims to increase awareness about the importance of mountains. The conservation of mountains is a key factor in sustainable development. Mountains cover 27% of Earth's landmass. Today's assembly is being to conduct the students of class 2C. Srinanda Vishnu is the leader of today's morning assembly. Srinanda.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to one and all. We, the students of class 2C, are conducting today's morning assembly. It's better to start with a prayer. So I invite Vidya for the prayer.
God is my rock, my fort, my shelter. He will take care of every day. God is my friend and He is my Father. He says watching over me. Angels, angels, watching me. Jesus, Jesus is watching over me. God is my rock, my fort, my shelter. He will take care of every day. God is my friend and He is my Father. He says watching over me. He says watching over me. He says watching over me.
Thank you, Nivedya. We are Indians. We should respect our motherland. So I invite Saija for the pledge.
Pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thank you, Sayujya. My friend Midila is ready here with the thought of the day.
Good morning. I am Midila Manoj from 2nd C. Today's thought, every cloud has a silver lining. May I repeat, every cloud has a silver lining. Thank you.
Thank you, Midila. Abhijita is going to explain the thought in the form of a small speech.
Good morning to all. Today's thought. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. Is used to convey the message that no matter how bad a situation might seem, there is some good aspect to it. Every bad or negative situation can result in some benefit. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhijita. Our friend Vidya is going to sing a song.
നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു. നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു. മതിലേക ചിരി തൂകും മാനത്തിൻ മുറ്റത്ത്, താതിലേക ചിരി തൂകും മാനത്തിൻ മുറ്റത്ത്, താരക സുന്ദരി നിന്നു. നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു. പ്രിയതരമാമൊരു ഗസലിന്റെ ഓർമ്മയാ മുല്ലതൻ മുട്ടുവിടന്നു. പ്രിയതരമാമൊരു ഗസലിന്റെ ഓർമ്മയാ മുല്ലതൻ മുട്ടുവിടന്നു. കാറ്റുകൾ കൈകളിൽ ഏന്തിയാം പൂമണം, കാറ്റുകൾ കൈകളിൽ ഏന്തിയാം പൂമണം, കാവുകൾ നീളി പടർന്നു. നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു. മതിലേക ചിരി തൂകും മാനത്തിൻ മുറ്റത്ത്, താരക സുന്ദരി നിന്നു. നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു. നാണം പടർന്നൊരു കായലിൻ നെഞ്ചകം പ്രേമാന്ത്രമായി തളർന്നു. നാണം പടർന്നൊരു കായലിൻ നെഞ്ചകം പ്രേമാന്ത്രമായി തളർന്നു. കളകള നൂപുര മുഖരിത പുളിനങ്ങൾ, കളകള നൂപുര മുഖരിത പുളിനങ്ങൾ, ലാസ്യമതാലസമായി. നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു. നീലരാവിൻ ചാലകപ്പാളികൾ മെല്ലെ മെല്ലെ തുറന്നു.
Thank you, Nivedya. I invite Alina for showing her craft work.
Good morning, all of you.
Thank you, Alina. I hope all of you enjoyed our small presentation. It's me, Srinanda Vishnu. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear children. Today's assembly was conducted by the students of class 2nd C. My hearty appreciation to my little kids for making the assembly a grand one. Next, I would like to announce the results of Youth Festival, category 1 and 2. For category 1 fancy dress winners, first prize goes to Nived Vinod of 2nd E. Second prize goes to Asim Sanush of class 1F. And third prize goes to Nabilam Nasir of 2nd E. Next, folk dance category 1. First prize goes to Naomi J.S. of class 2nd E. Second prize goes to Arathya G of class 1A. And third prize goes to Dilsha V of class 1F. Light music winners category 1. First prize goes to Nivedya S of class 2nd C. Second prize goes to Lena Lijo of class 1B. Third prize shared by two children, Vediga Pradesh A of class 1A and Krishnendu R of class 2nd A. Recitation English category 1. First prize goes to Devaj K of 2nd A. Second prize goes to Hadia Khatun of 1st D. And third prize goes to Rituparna Ranjit of 1F. Next, category 1 recitation Malayalam. First prize goes to Muhammad Nihal H of class 1C. Second prize goes to Vediga Pradesh A of class 1A. And third prize goes to Hadia Khatun of 1D. Category 1 storytelling English. First prize goes to Hadia Khatun of 1D. Second prize shared by two children, Haibel Anas of 1C and Devaj K of 2nd A. And third prize also shared by two children, Rituparna Ranjit of 1F and Shreya S of 2nd A. Next, category 2, elocution Malayalam. First prize goes to Anna Philip of 4th B. Second prize goes to Manha Isra Bashir of 3rd B. And third prize goes to Shreya Santosh of 3rd D. Category 2, elocution English. Ananya, first prize goes to Ananya Vijesh of 3rd A. Second prize goes to Manha Isra Bashir of 3rd B. And third prize goes to Joan Maria Varghese of 3rd D. Next, category 2, elocution Hindi. First prize goes to Avantika S of class 4A. Second prize goes to Asma Naseem M of class 4C. And third prize goes to Adarsh AO of class 4C. Category 2, folk dance. The first prize goes to Devananda A of class 4C. Second prize is shared by two children, Alia Nyas of 3rd D and Vaiga R of 4C. Third prize goes to Gauri Nandana Saju of 3rd A. Category 2, light music. First prize goes to Sri Lashmi S of 4B. Second prize goes to Nandana Vinay of 4D. And third prize shared by two children, Ananya Vijesh of 3rd A and Prarthana S. Pillai of 3rd B. Category 2, recitation English. First prize goes to Manha Isra Bashir of 3rd B. Second prize goes to Nandana Vinay of 4D and third prize goes to Ananya Vijesh of 3rd A. Next, category 2, recitation Hindi. First prize goes to Harinarayanan A of class 4C. Second prize goes to Nandana Vinay of 4D and third prize goes to Ananya Vijesh of 3rd A. Next, category 2, recitation Malayalam. First prize goes to Nandana Vinay of 4D. Second prize is shared by two children, Prarthana S. Pillai of 3rd B and Anna Filippo of 4B. Third prize goes to Parthiv B. Pillai of 4C. Category 2 Elocution Malayalam. First prize goes to Anna Filippo 4B. Second prize goes to Manka Isra Bashir of 3rd B. And third prize goes to Shreya Santosh of 3rd D. Next, category 2 Elocution English. First prize goes to Ananya Vijesh of 3rd A. Second prize goes to Manka Isra Bashir of 3rd B. And third prize goes to John Maria Varghese of 3rd D. Category 2 Elocution Hindi. First prize goes to Avantika S of 4A. Second prize goes to Asma Naseem M of class 4C. And third prize goes to Adarsh O of class 4C. Congratulations all the participants and winners. My special congratulations to the winners of Youth Festival category 1 and 2. The assembly is over. Now the assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day.